Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your shipping address on Shpock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything. Also in the top right corner, we have your inbox and the selling, buying, watch list, saved researches, reviews, say locations, help center, settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your shipping address on Shpock. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these 3 steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, what you need to do is open, of course, the app or the website and log into your account, as we already did. Tap on My Shpock in the app or click on your profile picture at the top right of on the website. Basically click here and then select the selling option, which is the first option. Tap on the 3 dots next to the item and select edit. So here you will have your items. I don't have any listings at the moment, but when you have some, they will be here. Then scroll down to the bottom of the listing where you'll see the current location. Tap change location or update to enter your new shipping address. Remember, you can only edit your item if it doesn't have any open offers. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.